Hi class, this is your teacher, Ms. Orozco. I wanted to show you how to get into BrainPop Junior or any education site that you would like to get to using the Alvin ISD Net Portal. On here, you have this Alvin ISD icon. If you click on it, it will say Portal. Select it. On here, you will be able to see BrainPop Junior. This is the app that we're going to be using right now for this assignment. Select BrainPop Junior. Here you will search for the assignment video. Type in scientific method. On here you will select scientific method, and then you will play the video. You can play it more than once because you will have an activity to do after you are done. Thank you.